G'day guys, Jonathan from Henzells Agency here. Today we're at one of our listings in Golden Beach at Unit 12/13 Landsborough Parade. Coming in guys, what we have here today is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, fully furnished property. So as you come in, your first bedroom is off to your right with 2 single beds. We have security screens, blinds as well, and a built-in robe. From there guys, you come down virtually through to your kitchen, living and dining all combined. So great, neat and tidy little kitchen, plenty of cupboard space, and it does have a little breakfast bar tucked around the side. Coming into your formal lounge and dining area guys, what I love about this is you have a view of the water from each angle, which is great because that's what Golden Beach living is all about. You do come out to a relatively spacious balcony, views down the Pumice Passage to Happy Valley, the shipping lane and Bribey Island. One good thing as well guys is you don't have any traffic in front of your car. You just have beautiful park, walkways and of course the in-ground swimming pool. When you come back in guys, we'll take you through to the master suite. So the master suite is just tucked around the corner here to my left. With the bathroom as well. So one good thing about the master suite guys, it does have plantation shutters, fans and security screens throughout, as well as quite a large built-in robe. On your way back out guys, you do have your bathroom. So the bathroom does have a laundry built into it, as you can see. We have quite a spacious tub, bench space, and then your laundry just there to your left. So this one is available, I believe now guys. So if you are interested, please come through and have a look. Give us a call at Henzells on 5491 2000.